Hi, my name is Mercedes Lavelle. I'm the lead policy analyst at Northern Policy Institute, and I'm based out of Sudbury, Ontario. I started with Northern Policy Institute in May 2020 as an Experience North summer placement right out of graduation. The Experience North program gives you opportunities to develop your research abilities, and it gives you hands-on experience that you don't get in school studying public policy, political science, economics. It just lets you hone your research skills and really apply them to real-world policy issues in our Northern Ontario communities.
Hi everyone, my name is Jillian and I'm the Accounting and Operations Assistant here at NPI. I'm also the self-appointed Finance Officer after gaining a little bit of seniority here. Being an Experience North placement has given me the opportunity to put my school education into practice and into real-world work experience. So I've been able to see the daily interworkings of just being in an office, working a 9 to 5, spending time with my coworkers, and then also obviously the work aspect where I've been able to actually put the work that I learned into school and into the books in doing it in real life.
Hey, I'm Vanessa. I am located in Kenora, Ontario. I work as a policy analyst for Experience North this summer 2022. As a policy analyst, my role is kind of like doing research and secondary analysis to inform policy and help guide most of the pressing issues of Northern Ontario's. It was nice to get to see the North from a different perspective and different communities, and it's one thing to read about the North, it's another entirely thing to learn about and live in the North.
Hello everyone, my name is George, and this summer I worked as a policy analyst at NPI, and my particular portfolio was childcare. So at NPI this summer, I looked at 3 particular areas through which we can improve childcare. First was looking at what other countries around the world are doing. The second one is looking at COVID and how that impacted childcare. And lastly, federal and provincial approach to childcare and what modifications need to be made through that as well.
Charles Sorbola, President and CEO of Northern Policy Institute, based here in Thunder Bay. Been with the Institute since the inception, so almost a decade now. The Experience North program is kind of one of our favorite programs around here. We started almost from the beginning. We started in 2014, our second year. I think we're on to, counting this year's interns, we'll have 78, I guess, by the end of the summer placements. Pretty exciting program from our perspective. It gives an opportunity to draw those students back into Northern Ontario, creates jobs for them in the communities that they've come from. The Experience North program has been supported from the beginning by NOHFC, which is our major project partner here at the Institute, but of course the RBC Foundation has been a long-time supporter for 4 years now, and of course the Canada Summer Jobs program has been a contributor for a number of years. We've also had some support from other foundations, private individuals, that type of stuff.
Hi, my name is Matthew Jackson. I am a communications officer here at Northern Policy Institute. My day-to-day tasks are very different, but my main thing is the annual report, so that's my main project I've been working on throughout the summer. I also build landing pages, so I create landing pages for publications or events. I also do like small maintenance, so little web updates or any buttons or links that are broken. I also do social media, so any type of posting, tagging, across all the platforms that we use. So yeah, that's my life as a communications officer.
My name is Amelia and I am working this summer as a policy analyst for Northern Policy Institute, and the project that I'm working on is the electric vehicles project. So I am looking at charging infrastructure, I'm looking at what it might be like to purchase an electric vehicle in Northern Ontario. I'm also looking at economic opportunities for electric vehicles in terms of mining and manufacturing, and it has been a lot of fun to read up on electric vehicles and what that means for Northern Ontario.
Hi, my name is Emma Dingle, and I am an Experience North graphic design intern based out of Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario. Some of my responsibilities as a graphic design intern include designing and laying out research reports, working on websites, creating social media graphics, and attending company events to photograph them. The Experience North program is such a wonderful opportunity for students looking to further their career, and I would recommend it to anyone looking for hands-on experience in their field of choice.
Hi, my name is William Dunstan. I'm originally from Ottawa, Ontario. My role here at MPI is that I'm a research analyst intern. The biggest project I've been working on this summer is the State of the North report card and the State of the North presentation. Essentially what that's looking at is measuring the economic, social, and environmental performance of Northern Ontario, and also making sure to do that in a way where we compare Northern Ontario with other like regions.
Hi there, my name is Michelle. I am based out of the Thunder Bay office at NPI, and I am the operations assistant this summer. In my role here at NPI, I work closely with the finance and operations manager as well as the president, and I assist with operational tasks and administrative duties, as well as work with IT, and then I also assist with event planning and booking travel. The Experience North program has allowed me to learn a bit more about the work that's being done in my community, and also take the skills I've been learning in the classroom and apply them into a work setting. I'd recommend the program to anyone who's interested in applying their skills and who's interested in experiential learning.
If you're eligible, I highly recommend applying for an Experience North position. You can be located in one of the amazing communities across Northern Ontario in my opinion, the best season of the year in the summer. And you can experience all these communities have to offer: the food, the culture, the scenery, the hikes, the nature, the restaurants, the local businesses, just so many great things bundled up in the communities across our regions.